From Asghar Mall, the journey starts, where traffic flows like abstract art. A signal? No, just vibes and honks. And a Suzuki flying Punjabi box. Chingchi kings are on the roll. People hanging from a pole. No seat? No problem. Just scooch and pray. Rickshaws zip by like caffeinated bees, dodging cycles and cut off peas. Shopkeepers shouting, deals so shady. Original shampoo, just 180 baby. Near Bunny, getting intense. Potholes so deep, building suspense. Auntie crossing in full queen mode, staring down cars like she owned the road. Finally, we reach Banni Chowk with pride, where rules and reality politely collide, where traffic is therapy, loud and loud, and every driver is emotionally proud. Welcome to Rawalpindi, where the roads are chaotic and chai is always hot, and even dividers have personality here. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the unsung heroes of Asghar Mall Road, the mighty roadsters, teeny metal warriors, lined up like obedient little soldiers, trying desperately to keep the left lane from flirting with the right. These studs don't just divide traffic, they offer unsolicited driving advice. Took the wrong turn, thud, drifted into the next lane, thud thud. Need a free tire message? You guessed it, thud 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 thud. Roadsters are unsung heroes of country's economy. While people complaining about road conditions, these roadsters on Asghar Mall Road are secretly helping the increase of tire imports and boosting alignment shop businesses, besides indirectly generating tax revenue. So next time when you are on Asghar Mall Road, please give a nod to these roadsters, because while everyone else is losing their lane, they are just trying to hold the line. Saidpur Road, a hub where tradition meets commerce. Here, trade is not just about transactions, it's a pulse, a rhythm that defines not just the street but the city of Rawalpindi itself. Here on Saidpur Road, motorbikers don't ride, they teleport. Blink and they have already squeezed through a 6-inch gap between your car and a fruit cart. For motorbike riders, helmets are optional. Balance is of Olympic level and fear of death not found. On Saidpur Road, every biker believes the rules of road. These are like New Year resolutions made to be ignored by February. And if you are wondering why you are stuck in the traffic, don't worry, the bikers will honk at you for it. Because clearly it's your fault or owing a vehicle that is wider more than 12 inches. Saidpur Road is not just a street, it's a test of patience, reflexes, and your ability to laugh at near death experiences. And the bikers, they are the level bosses. Auto rickshaw, the most confident vehicle on Saidpur Road. They don't follow traffic lanes, they make their own path, just like a tourist asking for directions in Rawalpindi. And let's not forget their sound systems. Who needs a radio when the rickshaw drivers are blasting Bollywood hits so loudly? You will start singing even if you don't know the lyrics. They have all the confidence, but when it comes to directions, they become tourist guides. You want to go to Sadar? Oh, just take a left, go straight, and then make a U turn through a narrow alley where even cats hesitate. In the heart of this trade, the spirit of negotiation is alive. Haggling is not just expected, it's part of the daily rhythm. It's a dance between buyers and sellers where every deal is not just a transaction but an exchange of trust and community. In the heart of rural Rawalpindi, where time seems to move at its own pace, there lies a corner that still echoes with the rhythm of hooves, the Tanga stand at Banni Chowk. Long before engines and exhaust dominated the streets, tangas, the horse-drawn carriages, they were the only lifeline of local transport. Tangas were just like Uber of that time, and here at Bunny Chalk, that legacy still breathes. At this Tanga stand, tangas are replaced by chinchi rickshaws now.